Good morning. Good morning. Our kids are playing baseball. Oh my gosh. You can hardly see him, but he's doing exactly what they do. Like,
he's giving signals.
he's giving signals. Right, now we're on a walk. Yeah, we were about to leave for our walk, and we noticed that Gabriel and Ethan are pretending that they're major league baseball players, doing all of the signals and doing, like genuflecting and all of that. So I had to get that. I don't even know if you can really see it, but it's hilarious. Like, Gabriel's doing all the warm-ups that the pitchers do.
I'm going to ask him to do an impression of Craig Kimbrell. He kind of looks like a pterodactyl.
Okay, they're still at it. They're still playing baseball. You learned a new skill. What is Gabriel doing? Oh!
Okay, my turn to bat.
Oh, you made it on first? Bases are loaded?
Yep.
Oh boy.
Invisible bases.
Invisible bases, invisible players.
Invisible people. Because he did a bunch of freebies. Strike. What the? Home run! That's a home run! Gabe, that's a grand slam! Gabe, that crashed the tree! Grand slam! 14 runs! Yeah! You're at 14 now. Yeah!
My mom and I, actually mom is the one that had the genius idea. So we're working on the final Oompa Loompa song, and it's going to be ridiculous. It's going to be fun. Sitting at the piano, Julian is practicing for an audition tape that he's going to send in. Wow, there's a kid in his swimming trunks walking past.
It's not.
It's summer. So the boys sang, they sang like a birthday telegram. I don't know, would you call it a birthday telegram?
Yeah.
Video for my great aunt. So their great aunt. Wow, she's pretty great. So they sang a telegram the other day for her, and as a thank you, yeah, they got an amazing gift. Like,
Slot card.
That's a big win.
I know. I mean, this was completely unnecessary, but they're like working hard trying to put it together, and yeah,
The pool table's getting
the
used.
pool table's being used right now.
Come back.
Test run.
Put it back.
Should do a test run first and then race. Make
Yeah,
sure they can
just
both make it all the
see
way
if they
across.
can-
Yours is way faster.
I can feel the
I
electricity.
can't.
Yeah. Oh,
Don't
be
do
careful.
I can't move.
Tiny little. Tiny.
Yeah,
Oh
but
my
if
gosh.
it's
Whoa,
like-
it's fast.
I can't move.
Oh, it got misaligned. All if you go too fast, you get off the track.
Yeah, you gotta know just what the.
Whoa.
Ooh.
That's a collision.
Oh,
We're
into
going
the
fast
river.
enough.
Put it back.
All right,
Oh.
you weren't going fast
I don't
enough.
I don't
Oh.
want to go. I don't want to get hit by it. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Yours is so much better. Let me try the.
That's my car. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
See,
Okay.
it likes me. It
All right,
wants,
I'll
it
go
wants
slow.
to jump into my arm.
I'll go
Let
slow.
Julian do it. That's his time.
Oh, it got stuck.
Yeah, it is a little bump right here. That's why mine keeps falling off because of the bump.
Ow.
Get that thing!
He caught you.
Ah!
Come on, yeah, I got the glove.
Final clip. I took a walk with Horatio, and then we ordered pizza from Domino's. You know, Domino's pizza is surprisingly very tasty. Like, I guess I didn't realize it was so good. But strangest thing though, I haven't had an appetite for off and on for like the past week, but especially the past couple of days, I have just not, or 3 days probably. Yeah, I haven't been hungry at all. Like, I would be fine to not eat, like, at all. And that's so weird for me.
I'm not very hungry either.
And no, you're not hungry. Yeah, I don't know what it is. So, but I ate pizza. I wasn't hungry though, but I ate it. So now this is my final clip. I know it's not even dark yet, but we are sort of settled in for the evening. I know we're probably going to run some lines at some point before bed. And I think they're watching G.I. Joe, the old cartoon in the other room. Because that's Gabriel's new, that's his new thing that he's interested in. But it's been a very nice day just here and doing stuff at home. And I did get some organizing done, which is great. And I finally opened my bin that has all my shorts. So, I'm wearing shorts. I don't think you even saw that. Jean shorts. So, yeah. Anyway, until tomorrow.